Welcome to BLD, episode 2, where I show you how to... What did I do again? Memorize letters. Oh, thanks, AM-tuber. So, we're going to solve a cube blindfolded. Wait, did it just hit some paper? I don't want to touch that. Actually, I do. And it says that. Right then. I'm gonna just turn the camera around so that it can be a bit more comfortable. So if I move this blindfold there to show that it's blindfolded, and then if I scramble the cube up, and then I'm just going to solve the edges. The government is Pi Van Nun. Is in a Pi Van Nun. So, the government is in a Pi Van Nun. Okay, let those letters sink in for a moment. Okay, I think we've done it now. Government. Pi. Van. Van is in a Pi Van Un. Done. So I may have went through the letters a bit too quick, but believe it or not, that is how I go through letters when I'm blind solving. I mean, actually solving the cube blindfolded. Yes, this will be very easy, and the letters did sink in, didn't they?